So, firstly, on the impact staking side, one of the things we wanted to do was to kind of do good with our company, not purely be a kind of financial play or it all be about market valuation of launch nodes. So we set out quite early on to look at how we could use staking for good causes and to deliver kind of societal benefits, I suppose. So we've done some work with Save the Children and with other kind of global multilaterals where we're taking staking rewards and using that to fund things like broadband in schools in Africa, or using it to fund computer devices for Save the Children. And we're hoping to scale that up significantly. So we've just been awarded a grant from Lido to build staking, impact staking into their protocol. So if you staked with Lido, you could then say, okay, I want a percentage of my rewards to go to a good cause.